This is a charging module for NiMH or NiCD batteries. It is for 3S. I will put its link in the description. On Aliexpress, it is available for 1S, 2S, 3S, 4S, 5S, 6S, 7SL and up to an 8S. The size is the same. So this is its input, 5 volts of input, regular mobile charger, and this is input, and this is for battery. For 3S, it has to connect in parallel. For that, I've also bought these AAA battery cell holders. This is for so you can also use this for AA battery, for AA cells. Right now I am using it for building it for AAA cells. So I will make a base to put these 3 battery holders. I will make the base using popsicle sticks, as it is the most easy way. So first I will see how many. So I have this AAA cell, NiMH. So, and this is AA cell. So I have the holder for this AAA cell, and for AA I have this. I don't have the single cell holder, so I will use this here. I will solder these two and make this as a 3 cell holder, as the module I have is of this module is for 3 cells in a series charging. So I have this bed made with popsicle sticks. So what I am going to do is use another popsicle stick like that, like here. Then I will use this double velcro tape, double side velcro tape, and I will put it here, and then I can just remove these to charge any type of the cell. For power supply, I am using these connectors. You can use any other connectors. You can use like these similar ones or any other connectors that you have. I don't have more of these, so I am just using as I have these, so I am using these. To supply the power, I am using this old USB cable that will be plugged into a 5-volt charger, regular mobile charger. So that is the negative and that is positive. So the LED is slowly flashing, so it means it is charging. So let's see how long it will take. I have used screws, small screws. I have them. So if you don't have, you can just use a double tape like I used here. It seems like they are charged. Let's see. 1.34. 1.381. So I think they are charged.